Hey guys, we finally made it. We're in Amarillo, Texas. Amarillo is a small city to the far west of the state of Texas, and we're gonna be spending the night at the OYO Hotel, which is close to their downtown area. We just checked in, we got into the hotel, but before we get into the details of our stay here at the OYO Hotel, make sure that you like the video, but most importantly, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of exciting things coming up. In the next week or so, we're gonna spend the night at a container type home in the state of Colorado. And then we're gonna head over to Orlando for Halloween. We're gonna check out the new Disney Boo Bash, which is their Halloween theme for the Walt Disney World Resort. And then later on, we're gonna go to Vegas. And we have some other plans coming up, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So back to what's going on here at the OYO Hotel in Amarillo, Texas. So we just checked in, we got into the room. The check-in experience was kind of interesting because their lobby is closed. I don't know why, there is no signage or anything. There's just a sign that says use the other door. And we did, and it's just like a window, almost like a bank. And so we checked in, no issues with that. And then we drove around. The setting is almost like a motel type where you access the rooms through the outside, and we got in the room, and now we want to show you around. So take a look at the video, enjoy it through the end. We're gonna see what else is going on here in Amarillo. Make sure you leave a comment down below and let us know if you would recommend this hotel to any of your friends and family, or if you will stay here yourself. So let's start with the tour. Hi.
Here's that, Ray.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so just got back from Starbucks, from the store. Got a few things to munch on tonight. Just gonna do a little bit of work and then have to get up early in the morning to do a training class and then head back home. So I'll see you guys in the morning.
You whisper gently to the silent trees. I won't forget. You know the secrets of the late night breeze. it's all pretend. Don't you worry now, don't you worry now, my love. Your day was rough, an easy slip and then you're out the door.